Hey there everyone, welcome to the newest video training series. We are glad that you've just signed up to learn the skills that will allow you to totally dominate one of the best performing advertising channels of the modern internet era. Because in this video training, we are going to teach you how to crush it with video ads. In this updated training, you will be learning what makes video ads the top performing advertising strategy today, and how you can dominate it like a pro from start to finish, step by step. In this first section of our training, the Video Ad Basics section, we're going to tell you all about video ads and the reasons why you should join the video advertising money-making machine. The contents in this section include: what is video marketing all about? What are video ads? How can video ads help your business? Shocking video advertising facts to consider. So allow us to grab you by the hand and be your guide while we discuss the basics. What is video marketing all about? Video marketing is, in its most bare-bones sense, the use of video to deliver online marketing campaigns. But because you can integrate video into so many stages of an online marketing campaign, it is better to define video marketing as a clever marketing strategy that integrates engaging and relevant video content into online marketing campaigns. In other words, video marketing can either be a marketing strategy in itself or a complementary strategy in any multimedia online marketing campaign. Video marketing is a very straightforward process when looked at from the surface level. As a marketer, brand, or business, you are in charge of creating or outsourcing the creation of videos to promote your name, your products, your services, your websites, or your retail locations. Your goal is to engage and convert your target audience into customers with video content. But video marketing is a very data-driven online marketing strategy that requires you to do a lot of behind-the-scenes work before you launch your first successful video marketing campaign. In fact, the majority of most marketers' first video marketing campaigns are not created with the intention of driving lots of sales. Instead, their goal is to track interactions and engagement metrics that can help them to create truly profitable video marketing campaigns. Yet, video marketing is not always used to drive direct sales. A lot of times, video marketing campaigns are designed to create brand awareness or to generate traffic to a website, which are objectives that will generate sales or revenue later on. To sum it all up, video marketing is an online marketing strategy that can be used to generate traffic, to capture leads, and to drive direct sales, depending on what monetization method you integrate with your video marketing campaigns. But please understand this: video marketing relies mostly on organic channels and word of mouth to spread, and you will need to be persistent, patient, and network savvy to make it work. So what if you wanted faster results? What if you wanted to try a more direct, more aggressive form of video marketing? What if you didn't want to create marketing videos, but you would rather use other people's videos to promote your stuff like you would on a blog? The answer is in our next video, so tune in.